Hey YouTube, she's back and she's playing in color. Okay, so a couple days ago I got up out my bed and I just was playing in this new eyeshadow palette I got. Hold on, let me get it. Eyeshadow palette I got from Juvia's Place. This is the Masquerade palette. It's the mini version. It's gorgeous. Look at those colors. So I just got up out my bed and I was like, you know what? I'm tired of people playing with me. I'm playing some color today, and this is what I came up. Look, this is what I came up with. There's a picture down there in this corner of what I did. Okay, the color was popping. I did change a couple of things, like I put on some lashes. This is not the lipstick I was wearing, and I also lined my eye, and Curly's here. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you think. I think I killed shit, you know what I'm saying? And without further ado, let's get glowing. Oh hey y'all, we back to being Ratchita. We started off with these eyebrows prepped and these eyelids done. I said that backwards, but whatever. We just gonna jump into the eyeshadow or whatever. So the first shade we're gonna go into is this shade Burkina. And before y'all even come for me, it's a base shade. It wasn't meant to show up. If you look, it's literally the same color as my eyelids. We're just gonna blend that all over. It's gonna help the rest of these eyeshadows blend better. Put it all over your eye, put it all over your eye, put it all over your eye. Why do I believe so much? Good. Okay, so the next shade we're going to go into is the shade Zulu. Now this is going to be our first transition shade. It's going to help us blend out all the rest of the shadows and give our eyelids a little bit of depth and a little bit of color. As you can see, it's not too much, just enough. Shoot, I forgot to show you the shade. So now we're going into this shade called Ada. It's another reddish brown. I think it's going to blend really well with the purple, so that's why I did that. We're going to have 3 or 4 different shades in our crease, so just be ready. I'm just going to blend that right underneath of the shade Zulu. Alright now y'all, going into the shade Zobo, I don't know. It's this purple shade that we're going to put in our crease as well. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're putting that in the crease, and you start on the outer end and blend it toward the inner part of your eye. Why? I don't know. That's just the way I do my eyeshadow. And just keep blending, just keep blending, just keep blending, blending. Y'all, keep blending your eyeshadow. Blend till you feel like you can't blend no more. Okay? Keep blending it. You don't want to stop. So this is a new step that I started doing, especially when I'm playing with color. I take this NYX Jumbo eye pencil in the shade Milk. It's just really white, and I slowed this part down because your girl has to take her time when she cuts the crease, okay? So I'm gonna start by just lining at my lower or my upper, I don't know, at my lash line, whatever, and moving upwards. As you can see, my eye has a natural line where my crease is, and I just pretty much put this all over my lid up into that line. It took me a while to do this because for real, if you mess up with this, it's kind of hard to fix it, mainly because of the texture of the eyeliner pencil. I wasn't wiping this off, so slow and steady wins the race. And as you can see, I go back in with my eyeshadow brush and add a little bit more color just to make sure that it's not being lost within me cutting this crease. And we're doing the other side, and I'm still going slow as molasses, and I don't care, because you know what, it's gonna come out good looking in the end. So you pretty much just want to make sure that you're doing both sides as even as you can. I mean, otherwise your eyes might look cocked like a pistol, but don't blame me if you start rushing, because I told you to go slow. What am I looking for? Oh, so I took this eyeshadow brush, and it's a flat, like square one, and pretty much used that to blend out that white and clean up like the outer edge of it the best that I could before I was getting ready to go into my next eyeshadow. As you can see, this pencil is like mad thick, y'all. It's really thick. So I blend that out and fix the edges of this on both eyes, obviously, before I go in with my lid color. I swear this part really took me forever. Okay, now that we got that all blended and fixed, I'm looking at it and I see like I'm gonna end up going back in with that same shadow in the shade Zobu, however you want to say it, that purple one that we used before. And I'm gonna try and like clean up the edge. I mean, not try, I am, because I fixed it, but still. Just to make sure that I didn't lose no like color and dimension in my crease. So now we're gonna go in with that shade Makeda. Listen, I don't know, but the purple shimmery shade that you guys seen on my lid in the beginning of the video. And I'm gonna start packing that on dry. Yes, dry. And you basically just want to cover up the part where you cut your crease with that color. And I'm holding my brush upwards because I find that I have a lot more control that way as opposed to pulling my lids down. Ooh, child, I was feeling myself. Ow. Oh, hold up though, because we ain't finished. Mario Badescu, rose water spray in the house. Pum. Spray that. Play too much. And we're just gonna go in and now go over top of this shadow wet to make it look metallic and really make this shimmer shim and whatever you want to call it, but it really makes it pop a lot more. As you can see, if you look at the one that I'm doing while it's wet and then look at my other eye that's dry, the pop is real. I really start feeling myself at this point, like, I die. Spray some more, do the other side, you know. I could have really edited this out, but I didn't want to. I wanted y'all to see, like, you need to do the same steps on each eye, and I do back and forth between eye to eye to eye, because sometimes I'll forget like what I did, right? And then I'll end up messing up the whole thing. So boom. Oh, I'm in love. It looks so good. That's my, I'm pretty sure that's the noise I was making. The ugly cry face. Go ahead and blend it out some more. I never stop blending when I'm doing eyeshadow. Because, oof. Ooh, child. Alright, now we're going to go into the shade. Hold up, wait a minute. Chi. I'm pretty sure that's Chi. It's either Chi or Cha, but I'm going to say it's Chi. And we're going to put that in our inner corners. And I use this Real Techniques brush. And basically my camera cut off, so I put that in my inner corner. Okay, that's it, that's it. Alright, I'm back. My foundation is done. I cleaned up the edges. Ooh, I'm really feeling myself. And I put too much. So now I'm going to go back into the shade Zobo. And I started to do this, but then I forgot that I missed a step. Oh my goodness. Girl, what is you doing? Alright, so we're going to go into this purple eyeliner pencil. It's from Italia Deluxe. It's an Amazon brand. Check them out. Real affordable, but they work. So we put that in our waterline first. That was what I was supposed to do. But you know, I'm human and a bitch messes up sometimes. Making the ugly meh face. I don't care who you are. When you do your bottom eyeliner, you can't not make that face. Try. I bet you can't. So back into that shade Zobo and smudging that out on the lower lash line. If you don't put eyeshadow on your lower lash line, you might look a little crazy. Just because it's not going to look completed, at least not to me. I use a lot of shadows over this palette now that I think about it. So now we're about to line our eye with this NYX liquid liner, and it's just a regular black liner. I did not wing it, girl. I didn't put a wing because I felt like it was already dramatic enough. Just a regular black line to conceal our lash line. That's about it. And it took me forever to do this because I need it to be even. I can't be out here with my eye cocked like a pistol. I can't. And now we're going into the shade Casablanca. And I'm pretty sure I put this on my brow bone with this little flat shader brush from Sonia Kashuk. I think I said that right, yeah. We're highlighting that brow bone, honey. And you only needed to touch it. That's it. This thing was shiny, 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 yeah. I had to like fix it because I looked cray cray at first. I ain't gonna lie. Excuse me. Okay, now we're going into these lashes. These are from the brand Kiss, and this is in the shade Beehive. And jumping into these soup coolers, girl, we're going to use this NYX Lipliner pencil in the shade Prune and line them things up. I had chapstick on. I had to like get rid of some of it because it was not working. But anyway, line your soup coolers. Line them lips, girl. This is where a lot of y'all go wrong. Y'all be wanting to wear bright colors with no lip liner. And this is the ColourPop Lippie pencil in the shade Back Up. Feel me? Back Up. And it's purple. Ooh. I used to wear this color just because. Now I refuse. The only thing I wear now regularly is nudes. Oh my goodness. But it's so pretty. What? I was really on one. Hold up though. A gloss. Y'all know I like gloss. Yeah. This is the Shayla Times ColourPop gloss in the shade Neat Freak. And I just put that on top. Oh my God, y'all, I have to sneeze again. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and comment down below and let me know what you think. I think I killed it. Just saying. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.